Andibulise ke namhlanje igama lami ke uSenetha Mastofi the agent kwaSimphi Monetary Properties. Sineview esinayo namhlanje apha eMdantsane. Cela nje ubone nje indlu lena. Then just come this side. Now, this is your dining area. Unokwazi uyodlula wenze nekitchen. Now, this is your first bedroom. Then this is your bathroom. Then you have your second bedroom here. Now, for more information concerning this property, you can call me 067 961 4538. Please do follow us. Sikona ku TikTok, ku Instagram, sikona ku YouTube, sikona ku Facebook, sikona Simphiwe Monetary Properties. Thank you so much. Please like and share. Thank you.